Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert logo to your edits in the Capcut mobile. So in here, I've already opened the Capcut apps and add the video. And to insert logo, you can use the overlay feature. So first you need to prepare the logo save. You need to make sure it has been saved on your gallery. Then just click on overlay and add overlay. Go to photos and here select the logo that you want to add. So I have a logo with transparent background. So you need to make sure that the logo also is on PNG format and has transparent background like this. Adjust the length to match with the video. And also don't forget to adjust the size. Here I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to put it on the right corner of the video. Okay, like that. You can also add animation if you want. You can add the combo animation. For example, I'm going to use the zoom one. Just click on the check icon and there you go. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.